a guard. Okay, this safety guard, when you're cutting, will move out of the way.
Hey there! You know what they say about machines? They make our lives easier. Every day as we go about our business, machines are literally in our faces. Except they lock you up in some faraway remote place. You definitely engage machines as you go about your daily life. In this video, we would consider some amazing machines operating at insane levels. When you think of machines, what comes to mind? Some big industrial equipment with gigantic wheels, or simple things like the phone you are watching this video with. Either way, you are right. Some machines have parts, others don't. But let's look at some machines that you haven't probably seen or even thought they existed, their working mechanism, what they are made of. Get ready to get your mind blown. 1. Woodcutter. You know how difficult it is to cut a log of wood and how much waste it produces. The first difficulty you face is how to lift the wood for cutting, then effectively cutting the wood to reduce waste. With this woodcutter, these concerns are resolved. This woodcutter has 3 principal parts. The first one is the feeding table. This part lifts the wood and feeds it to the machine to be cut into bits. The second part of this woodcutter is a saw table. It cuts the wood that it receives from the feeding table into 50-centimeter long blocks. Although the length is adjustable, it cannot cut beyond 50 centimeters. The next part is the knives. Depending on your blade size, the knives cut them into about 6 to 8 pieces. Lastly, a conveyor belt helps you put it where you want. Isn't that amazing? Although huge, one person operates this machine. This machine also has a lightning feature that stops its operation whenever it senses hazards, wrongful placement of fingers, and such. Overall, this machine is everyone's dream. 2. Modernized tractor.
It is designed to improve operating efficiency and facilitate maintenance, as well as save fuel and reduce emissions.
Modern agricultural equipment helps save time, money, and increase effectiveness. One of these pieces of equipment is this tractor. It is a big tractor with large plows and the latest blades. They melted its plows with hydraulic rollers. The plows provide stability and adjust themselves on the ground automatically. If you want to increase your productivity, get this tractor. 3. KUKA OmniMove. Strange name, right? This is an exceptionally amazing invention that carries loads, goods, and products from one place to another, hitting no one or anything. This platform is sophisticated to work manually and automatically. It can carry a load of up to 99 feet and weighing up to 90 tons. Customer preference can specialize it to include high precision, 360-degree rotation. Number 4. Lake cleaning machine. As the name implies, this is a machine that cleans dirt found on the surface of a large surface of water like a lake. They constructed this machine in such a way that the outward panel sieves out the dirt while the water drains. The machine also has wheels that drive the machine across the lake with ease. The machine is suitable for picking dirt, grasses, and solid contamination. They automate most of its features, so you need no manual work to be done. The machine is absolutely the best for treating debris in water. 5. Koji Megumi. Another weird name. This machine is the world's extensive grabber. In a scoop, it can lift 370 tons in 302 centimeters. It has such grabbing ability because of its grab weight in a hydraulic cylinder. It can grab both soft soil and hard soil. While lifting any weight, the machine auto-belts itself. 6. Rasendorf GmbH. This is a machine with the combination of a tractor and a cutting unit. Unlike a regular machine, this machine moves backwards, giving space to the cutting blades to work. The blades cut the grasses and deposit it into a support truck. Although this project is still in the developing stage, the results are astonishing. 7. Colmer equipment. This is equipment for cutting rails into bits. Its hydraulic head can go round the rails 360 degrees and cuts in about 5 seconds. It generates about 350 bar of pressure. Amazing! It is not just used for cutting. They also use it for carrying long, heavy rods. Someone with experience in handling excavators can effectively handle this gigantic machine. 8. Snow removal machine. This is a machine with the ability to make pathways in thick snow. It does this by using its forward plow to create its path. During winter, this machine would come in handy. This machine works optimally at all times, whether you plow city streets, country roads, or on the high mountains. This snow removal machine is such that meets all your needs. In this video, you have learnt about the amazing machines operating at insane levels. If you use these machines for their designated purposes, effectiveness and productivity would definitely increase.